Hello and welcome to the first episode of eScoot Challenges. So far I was recording eScoot Talks. eScoot Talks, I'm going to continue recording those episodes, but now I'm bringing you eScoot Challenges, where in every episode I'm going to put myself up for a challenge and I'm going to try and see, will I fail or will I succeed? So for this first episode I decided to do puncture repair on Xiaomi. So let's start with the video, and during the video I'm going to just give you a bit of a commentary and some more info. So the challenge is fixing a puncture on Xiaomi scooter within 5 minutes. We can now see all the tools that I need. So I need the tire levers, I need a hex 2.5 and hex 4, and we have a timer that's gonna, check will I manage to do it within 5 minutes or not. And so what I have to do is take off all wheel covers, take off wheel, take off tire, fit a new tire on, put back wheels on, and kind of and inflate the tire. Basically now this part of inflating a tire, I'm not sure should that be part of the challenge or not, because it's like there is no way I can affect tire inflator to be faster or slower. But anyways, well, I did this video, so I know how long it took me, but I'm not gonna reveal that. Give yourself another couple of minutes, and you're gonna find out will I succeed. So first we are taking off stickers and wheel covers, wheel bolt covers. We needed 2.5 mil hex for that, and now we are using 4 mil hex to take off wheel bolts. It's like this small Bosch cordless screwdriver is actually one of my favorite tools, because it's not my main tool in the workshop, but it's my favorite on-the-go tool because it just doesn't take too much space. Also here I'm using Vera bits, because they have that Hex Plus bits that are absolutely brilliant. I am going to actually put a link to tools that I'm using in a description down below, just in case you want to try and use them yourself as well. Now, in most cases I'm using at least 3 tire levers, because it's just speeding up whole process and it's easier for me. So taking off a tire with the proper tools, it's actually really not hard at all. Now this part is of course just a little bit of a muscle help, but it's quite simple and easy to take off tire, well, at least to me, because, well, I'm doing it all the time. Now this part is really important, okay? Here you need to make sure that you're properly orientating rim and tire and inner tube to have a valve on a correct side. So I always put a wheel the way it is on a frame. So on the Xiaomi you have a disc on the left and a valve on the right hand side. And I'm not using any tools to put the tire back on. So just make sure that the inner tube is sitting in properly, and then I'm using just my muscles to put everything back in place, just to avoid risking of puncturing inner tube with the sharp tools. It's not too hard. As I said, this challenge is to check, can I do it within 5 minutes? If it takes you 10 minutes, that's still brilliant. I remember when I was doing it for the first time, it took me around almost an hour to do a puncture. So yeah, okay, fitting on wheel back on, that can be sometimes a little bit challenging because of a disc. Like some people might remove a brake caliper as well to help them out. Since I did it so many times, I already know kind of how to fit it back in place, and that's it. this is not the last challenge of this type. I'm planning to make a video. I'm not necessarily challenged, but the video of doing a puncture when someone is riding on a flat tire for a while, because in that case it's much harder to do it. But for this, I'm kind of making ideal situation where you notice, like actually this scooter didn't had a puncture, but you know, where you notice puncture, you stop immediately and you push the scooter home. Okay, we are 4.5 minutes in. I still didn't even start inflating a tire, so I don't think I'm gonna manage to inflate a tire within 5 minutes, but I might be able to actually finish this part within 5 minutes, and then we're gonna see how long it's gonna take to to inflate a tire. Okay, this is really tight. 58, 59, yeah, 5 minutes, and that's all down. So now, like in the comments down below, you can actually tell me what you think. Did I fail this challenge or I did succeed? Because, well, within 5 minutes, I obviously didn't succeed in inflating a tire. But okay, let's see. Inflating a tire with Xiaomi pump, how long it's gonna take. We'll at least manage to do it, let's say maybe within 6 minutes, 5.5 minutes in, so we have less than 30 seconds to inflate a tire. Now usually I would also double check that the tire is fitted on properly, but it don't, like I did actually check that on a go. It wasn't actually seen on the camera too much, but okay, let's see. 40 psi. By the way, Xiaomi tires have to be inflated to 50 psi, at least original tires. Yeah, 557. So yeah, that's okay, under 6 minutes. If I even fail for a minute, and as I said, even if you do it in double time, 12 minutes, at least you can see how to do it actually quite quickly. So hopefully that's going to be helpful to you. But yeah, all the tires actually, always on the tire it says how much you should inflate it, and stick to that, okay? Never go over that. As I said, on those Xiaomi 8.5-inch tires, it's usually 50 psi, but it can be anything between 30 and 55 psi in most cases. Anyways, guys, yeah, I didn't want to make this video too long for you, so I hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, please like it. If you find it useful, share it with your friends, and yeah, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm gonna really be grateful for that. Also, I'll be recording videos pretty soon. Again, apologies for this video being delayed, but Amazon was actually delayed with delivering me some things that I needed for this video. Hopefully that's not gonna happen again. And yeah, okay guys, till next time, stay safe out there and respect other road users. Yeah. Bye bye.